Welcome to PhysioCare Patient Management Software. This demo will guide you through managing patient advance balances and using them for regular treatments or any other payments. Log in to the web or mobile portal of PhysioCarePMS.com. There are several ways to add balance to the wallet. 1. While creating a regular treatment plan for a patient. 2. Patient view to the advance balance screen. 3. When the payment amount is greater than the total amount anywhere in the portal. The advance balance feature will help you keep payment records for future treatments. Receive advance payment while creating a regular treatment plan. Navigate to the treatment module and create a treatment plan. Fill the details. The package option allows you to receive payment if the patient is providing an advance within the package. Additionally, we've recently introduced the option to add an advance for regular treatments as well. Add the per session charge. In the advance section, you can enter the advance payment amount. This amount will be added to the patient's advance balance for future treatment payments. You can view the patient's advance balance here. Now, you can use that balance when making treatment entries or any payments for that patient. Click on Treatment Entry, fill in the details, and in the Payment section, you will see an option to consume payment from the advance balance. Click Submit to record the treatment entry. The patient's advance balance will be updated. In the payment details, it will show the amount paid from the wallet. Likewise, you can continue to consume the amount until patient has advance balance. In the future, if you need to add more balance, you can do so from the patient's screen. 2. Add balance from patient advance balance screen. Navigate to any patient's screen. Click on the Advance Balance Amount button. This screen will display all debit and credit transactions made from the advance balance. If you want to add an amount to the balance, click on the Credit button and fill in the details. The amount will be credited to the patient's account. You can manually debit an amount by clicking on the Debit button. Fill in the details and submit to use the amount. All transactions will be displayed in the list. You can also generate a payment receipt for credit transactions from here. If any transactions have been made through other modules, they will be displayed here with remarks for reference. 3. When the payment amount is greater than the total amount anywhere in the portal. Visit the Treatment section and make an entry. If the paid amount is greater than the total amount, the remaining amount will be credited to the advance balance. In the Remarks section, you can see the source of the credited amount. You can use amount for payment dues also. Navigate to any payment due screen and use that wallet balance for paying the payment dues. You can see the total advance amount credited device in Payment Report section. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thank you. See you on the portal.